Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to identify the preferred replicas for SQL Server. In SQL Server, every day we have a customer and customer is having 30 SQL servers. In that 30 SQL servers, 15 are dedicated primary. So customer always wants to run those databases on the primary only. By any chance, it will get failover to another node and it is running fine. So on Saturday night we have to check all the all the state availability group status that should be running on the only on the primary node only. So one if it is a 15 servers, we can do that. For my other friends, they are having 200 servers, so it's very difficult to manually find that, go and verify and seeing this. If you see here, node 1 and node 2 are the two replicas I am having. So one replica, one availability group is running on the node 1, another availability is running on node 2. So here in the node 1 and node 2, the preferred replica is node 1 only. All the databases should run on the node 1 only. Coming to node 3 and node 4, I'm having two replicas. Okay, one availability group is running on node 3, another one availability group is running on secondary, so on node 4. So in these two, node 3 is the preferred one. All the replicas should run on the node 3 only. Okay, all the databases. Now, if, I don't know that when I came to shift, I need to verify for 50 servers or 30 servers. So I have developed a small query here. So it will give the output. So here I want to mention node 1 is dedicated, node 1 is the primary, and what how many nodes we have dedicated. So we have to mention all these nodes. Okay, it will compare and it will give the output. If I click execute here, nothing you need to change that. Just you need to mention that node preferred nodes and you have to give the server name. Only these two changes that you need to do from your end. Apart from that, you have nothing to do in this command. If you want, you can send this output to using SMTP server, but I don't want to do that. So I want to keep this code simple. Okay, so now I'm clicking execute here. Yeah, so it is running fine. Okay, and now the file got saved in this folder. Okay, go to test, go to test here. File got generated, click OK. See, file got generated here. Okay, so test 1 replica is running on node 1 and test 2 is running on also node 1. Okay, so already match, this got matched. Okay, now test trigger is secondary is not matched. Now if you see, text 1 uh, is running on node 2 connected are matched. Test availability is replica is node 2 is secondary connected, it should be unmatched. Okay. Mm, okay, so okay, no problem. Node 2 is secondary, right? So that's the reason it has to be their match. Okay, node 2 is secondary, it is match. So now test AG3 is running on node 3. We have given preferred replica on node 3, right? So that's the reason it's match. Test 4G is running on node 4. Okay, but it has to be run on the node 3. Okay, so that's the reason it got not yet matched. Now what we will do, we will fail over text 2 to the secondary. Okay, and we will run the report again. So now go to this test for node 2. So if I do failover, yeah, it was done. Now text 2 has to get not matched. Okay, if I go here and click executing this one, yeah, file got generated. Now open here and click refresh. See, Now test 1 is running on the node 1, it is primary, and that is fine, matched. Test 2 is running on the node 2, which is not primary replica, but it has having primary replica, right? But it is not yet matched condition. Test 2 has to be run on the node 1, so that's the reason it is not matched. Okay, now test 3, AG is running on the node 3. So node 3 is the primary node, that's why it has matched. Test 4, AG is running on node 4. So that's the reason it is not matched. Now what we will do, we will fire over the node 4. Okay, and now go to database here and fail over this to node 3. If I do failover, okay, and see that. So now here, whenever it is failover to the node 3, then it has to be get matched. Yeah, it was done successful. Now go and check this report. Yeah, it was executed successfully. You just refresh here. Okay, now see, test 4G replica is running on the secondary role. Okay, now it's matched. Test AG3 is running on the node 4. Yeah, on the secondary also it is running, right? So then it is matched. Test 4G is running on node 3. So all node 4s are secondary, right? So then it is matched. So all node 3s are primary, right? It is also matched. So if I run this test 2 is running on node 2, which is not recommended. We have to fail over to the node 1, then only it is matched. So that's the reason we by seeing this only that we can see not matched report, and we can directly go to the node 2 instance and we see the primary replica what is and all, and we can fail over based on that time approved time interval, and so we can reduce our effect. Okay, I hope you may like this video, and I will give the scripts in the WhatsApp group and dedicated Google Drive as well. So please stay tuned and keep commenting about your opinion. Thank you. Bye.